India is blessed with a large and vibrant scientific diaspora which is spread across the globe. They have all made, individually and collectively, outstanding contribution to the progress of countries where they reside. I am proud and pleased to acknowledge that members of our diaspora hold extraordinary leadership positions in academia, industry, and government in some of the most technologically advanced countries. There is enormous untapped potential in connecting and engaging with the Indian scientific diaspora, not only for the benefit of our national development, but also for global good. I am delighted to note the enthusiasm among members of our diaspora for sharing their knowledge and experiences for accelerating the pace of development in India. Led by our dear Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India has laid out the red carpet for its diaspora. You can all connect India to emerging technologies, share your rich expertise, and help incorporate best practices to further strengthen a thriving and enabling science ecosystem in your home country. The pandemic has brought to light many other challenges that countries may face in case of an unprecedented situation like the current pandemic. Restrictions on trade and travel adversely affected supply chains and logistics. Despite these shortcomings, the Indian scientific community rose to the occasion and delivered quick, innovative solutions. Turning this crisis into an opportunity, the country under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji embarked on a mission to become Atmanirbhar, self-reliant but not self-centered, as India is committed to contribute to global welfare with an aim to benefiting from the expertise of the highly skilled Indian diaspora. We had recently held extensive policy consultations with them and invited their suggestions regarding the new science, technology, and innovation policy currently under formulation. We are working enthusiastically towards converting the brain drain into brain gain. Several government policies and initiatives have been launched to connect the global science and technology community with India. The global Indian science and technology community can contribute in India's development in several ways. A key step would be partnering with research and academic institutions to address specific societal challenges, particularly for the benefit of rural India. It is indeed heartening to note that among other important deliberations lined up at this meet, there is one that seeks to empower the rural masses through the application of enabling technologies, thereby contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Another important area being discussed is the application of advanced technologies for imparting education and skilling for better employability. I feel that this is an area where the diaspora can make immense contribution. I would like to thank all of you for giving me the opportunity to address this learned audience and urge you to continue your engagement with Indian scientists beyond this meeting as well. My government desires that you all remain an integral part of your motherland, India, and work towards turning India into a superpower, an Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is all set to attain its goal of becoming the Vishwa Guru.